So what is a slip test? In very simple terms, it's a scientific way of measuring how slip resistant a floor surface is. If you think about what happens when a slip occurs, you have a heel striking a floor, and the extent to which there is friction within that interaction will determine whether or not somebody's more or less likely to slip. That clip showed you an example of how the pendulum test works, and as you'll have seen, it basically mimics the heel striking the floor, and by standardising the heel, all we're measuring is the slip resistance provided by the floor. The output of the test is a pendulum test value, which is a number, and if you have a pendulum test value, or PTV, of less than 25, then the floor gives you a high slip potential. If you have a PTV of between 25 and 35, it's a moderate slip potential, and a PTV of 36 plus is a low slip potential. The numbers are exactly the same, we interpret them exactly the same in both dry and wet and contaminated conditions. So by doing a slip test, you can start to really understand the friction provided by your floor, which, according to industry data, accounts for about 50% of the causation of slip accidents. It's a really valuable test to undertake. It can be done very easily in all sorts of locations. It can be done in your own building. It's not a lab test solely, although it can be done in labs, and it's something that insurance companies and lawyers and responsible architects and building specifiers really want to be seen as being done on a regular basis. If you're interested in exploring this and having a chat with me, please click on the link below and we can arrange a time to discuss this, and we can see whether we can book in myself or one of the team to come and do this testing for you on your floor surfaces. Thanks.